Learn to crochet a butterfly peony in 8 minutes, made in one piece. No assembly required. Using 4-ply cotton yarn and starting with a magic ring. Insert the hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through. Insert again, pull up a loop, yarn over. Pull through all loops to complete a single crochet. Make a total of 5 single crochets. After finishing the 5 single crochets, tighten the ring. Slip stitch to the first single crochet. Chain stitches to begin round 2. Work round 2 in the back loops only. The loop farthest from you. Increase with single crochets. Work to single crochets in the same stitch. Work the entire round in back loops only, making single crochet increases. Round 2 is complete. Slip stitch to the first single crochet and start the petals. Chain 3 first. Yarn over and insert into the front loop. Make a double crochet. Work another double crochet in the same stitch. This forms a double crochet increase. Make a double crochet increase in the next front loop as well. To double crochet increases completed. Chain 3 after finishing. Then slip stitch into the same spot. That completes one group. Slip stitch into the next front loop. And start the next group. Chain 3 first. Then work to double crochets in the same stitch. After the 2 double crochets, move to the next front loop and make another double crochet increase. Both increases are done. Chain 3 and slip stitch into the same spot. The second group is finished. Repeat the same method to make 5 groups total. After 5 groups, slip stitch into the first petal stitch. Then chain 5 for the edging. After chaining 5, yarn over and insert into the first double crochet. And make a double crochet increase. Work to double crochets in the same stitch. The first stitch is complete. In the next stitch, make 1 double crochet. 1/2 double crochet. And 1 single crochet. 3 stitches in 1 stitch. In the next stitch, make 1 single crochet first. Then 1/2 double crochet. And another double crochet in the same spot. 3 stitches in 1 stitch completed. In the next stitch, make a double crochet increase. Then chain 5 again. After chaining 5, slip stitch into the slip stitch point. The first small petal edging is complete. Use the same method to crochet 5 edgings. After slip stitching the last edging, slip stitch into the back loop behind. To begin the large petals, chain 2. Then slip stitch into the next back loop. This creates a small chain to space. Continue the next group. Chain 2. Then slip stitch into the next back loop. The second group is complete. Repeat this method to make 10 groups. After finishing 10 groups, slip stitch into the first chain to space. Chain 3. Then work 5 double crochets into the same space. All 5 double crochets go into the chain to space. Continue crocheting. After the 5 double crochets, chain 3. And slip stitch into the next space. Each petal uses 2 stitches. Make the next petal the same way. Chain 3 first. Then crochet 5 double crochets into the next space. After the 5 double crochets, chain 3 and slip stitch into the next chain to space. The second group is complete. Use the same method to crochet 5 groups. After slip stitching the 5th group, chain 3. Then yarn over and insert into the first double crochet. And make a double crochet increase. The first increase is complete. Make double crochet increases in each remaining stitch. Work 5 double crochet increases total. After finishing them, chain 3 and slip stitch into the chain to space. The first group is done. Continue with the next group, repeating the same method to make 5 groups. After slip stitching the 5th group, chain 3 for the edging. After chaining 3, slip stitch into the first double crochet. Then chain 2 and slip stitch into the next stitch. Chain 2 and slip stitch counts as one group. Repeat for 9 groups. After the 9th group, chain 3 and slip stitch into the same stitch. Slip stitch completed. The first edging is now finished. Use the same method. 2 crochet edgings for all 5 petals. After slip stitching the last edging, pull up a loop and cut the yarn. Now crochet the flower center. Insert into the unused front loops from round 1. Pull up the yellow yarn and chain 1 to secure. Chain 3 first. Skip the first chain and slip stitch into the second chain from the hook. Slip stitch into the next chain as well. After the 2 slip stitches, slip stitch into the next front loop. 1 flower stamen is complete. Repeat the same method. 2 crochet 6 stamens. Done. After finishing 6 stamens, pull up a loop and cut the yarn. Tighten the starting tail. And weave in the excess yarn at the back. Your butterfly peony is now complete. If you like it, give it a try.